Wagwan people, this is Jania from Jamaican Sinting. Today I'm going to talk to you about two words in the English language that in the Jamaican language them sound the same way. If you want to learn what those words are, stick around, soon come. So in the English language there are two words, care and carry. When you translate them in the Jamaican language, they are pronounced kya, kya, kya. Now, the word carry means to move something or someone from one place to the other. The word care has to do with attaching a level of importance to something, all right, or concern about something. Now, if you notice in those two cases, both words are actually used as verbs. So that's something very important to note. So in the case, for instance, of the word carry, in the English language, a sentence might read like this. Don't carry that bag in here. Don't carry that bag in here. Now in Jamaican language, we would say, no kya da bag in ya. No kya da bag in ya. Of course, there are variations to it, and so depending on the context, we may say, no kya da bag de in ya. No kya da bag de in ya. Alright? And that really would translate back to English as, do not carry that bag, okay? And that's positional, right? A bag that is not in your proximity, you, the speaker's proximity. You'd say, no kya da bag de in ya. All right, so that's just a kind of proximity thing that we have to deal with sometimes as we translate. That makes it different, but the point is the word carry is translated to kya. Okay, all right, next we have the word care. Again, care having to do with a level of concern attached to something. All right, so in this case, a sentence in the English language might read, I don't care what they think. I don't care what they think. In the Jamaican language, we would say something like this. Me no care what them think. Me no care what them think.
I don't care.
For emphasis, of course, because you know Jamaicans are highly expressive. All right, people, so that's just a short lesson for today, just to show you two words, again, that are used in the English language that are pronounced the very same way in the Jamaican language. So if ever you hear that word being used, you have to identify what is the context within which it's used to see what that might translate back to in the English language. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like it, give me a little thumbs up now. Just big me up a little bit now. Stay tuned for another lesson, and as always, big up yourself. Jamaica, Jamaica. Dip on top, dip on top. Little more.